Hi, I'm JD Gunnell, USU Extension Gardening Expert. Here are April's gardening tips. Subscribe to the Utah Pest Integrated Pest Management Advisory for timely tips on how to control pests in your yard and garden. You can find this at utahpests.usu.edu. Wait to prune your roses until after their buds begin to swell to avoid late frosts from damaging the new growth. Sometimes older plants get crowded in the landscape. You can dig and divide perennial flowers. In early spring, divide the perennials that bloomed last fall. Wait to divide spring blooming perennials until after they've bloomed. This usually happens in late summer or fall. If your plants had sick yellow leaves the previous year, it could be due to an iron deficiency called iron chlorosis. Early spring is a great time to apply a supplemental iron chelate before leaves begin to emerge. When shopping, look for products that contain iron EDDHA. They tend to work best in our area. To help curb annual weeds such as crabgrass and spurge in the lawn, apply a pre-emergent herbicide in early April. And finally, plant a tree to celebrate National Arbor Day. If you've ever had questions or been confused about what type of tree to plant, check out our USU Extension tree browser at treebrowser.org to search a database of over 245 tree species adapt to the Intermountain West. You can also download the tree browser as a mobile app. Find more gardening tips like these at garden.usu.edu.